This bathroom was in need of a serious glow up, and just wait until you see the homeowner's reaction. So Kaz, you were planning on doing this renovation yourself.
Yes.
Why is that? What did you want to do here?
As you can see, we did plan on renovating it, but we've done things elsewhere in the house. So it's kind of been put back, and now it's time to fix it up.
Now we're going to transform this. We're going to put a blindfold on you.
Yes.
To modernise this bathroom. What do you love about it at the moment, if anything, and what would you love to see in it?
Okay, I don't like anything about it.
Okay, so
I don't like anything about it. I'd like a bath still, but a small, obviously not a corner 80s bath.
Sure.
And just something that I can feel comfortable in and just relax in and walk in, and it doesn't look like the 1990s or 80s.
In the new space, how do you want to feel?
Just relaxed, sit in a nice bath, just like I can spend some time in here doing my hair or my makeup, or if I need to go somewhere, just feeling relaxed and calm.
Relaxed and calm.
Yeah.
With a bath. That's the brief.
So I'm at Amber Tiles. I'm in the fun section. This is the really fun section of Amber Tiles. Like, have a go at that. The colour of that is just beautiful. Now, choosing tiles is one of the hardest things to do, but it's just so important that you get it right. What we wanted to do in this bathroom is we want it to feel kind of whimsical and quite traditional, something that was still fun, but still had those kind of really, I don't know, kind of traditional elements to the design. That is going to be the base of this bathroom. So that's the more cost-effective tile. If we've got this one here, and we'll get it in more of a size like this one here, I then wanted to add something fun to it, and this tile here, Be Still My Beating Heart, it's absolutely beautiful and the perfect colour tones for this bathroom. Then I wanted to really up the ante with the blue, and that powdery gorgeous blue, and I found this little baby. We're using the bulk of the tile as this main tile here, and then we've just got these fun colour little quirky pops which just make that bathroom. Okay, so we're in our latest bathroom renovation, and I'm just doing the pretty much check that everything is okay and that we're on the right track. So as you already know probably, it's a 4-piece bathroom. It's for the most beautiful family, and the client really wanted a bath in this space. And we've got the shower here. This is where we landed. Shower here. Then we have bath here in this space. And again, this detail, which is over the shower, will be here. So we'll have that above us. So matching little gorgeous detail there. This whole space here is going to be James Hardy Axon. So we've got Axon on this wall, Axon on this wall, and the detailing around the shower is all Axon. Now, in regards to the tiling, everyone when they renovate a bathroom is considering costs. When you use stone in a bathroom, it actually costs a little bit more to cut it with the tiler, but stone is so beautiful and everyone wants it. So I try to incorporate it in all the bathrooms, but the key to managing your budget with tiling is to splash out in certain areas, but then to kind of pull back in others. So what we've got is these amazing tiles here. So these are your beautiful feature tiles for this bathroom. Then you have like this stable, amazing tile that still looks fantastic, and that is this little baby. So that is going to be majority of the tiling in this space. And then what we're doing is adding detail through the more expensive tiles. And pretty much that pattern will run all through the floor. Now, in regards to the vanity for the project, it's a reasonable sized bathroom, but we need to put 4 pieces in it: a bath, the shower, the vanity, and the toilet. So most bathrooms are tight, and this one's a little bit tighter with those 4 pieces. I love the curve of this vanity and the style of this vanity. It's quite traditional, which is kind of the vibe we're going with this bathroom makeover. Tapware, this is perfect. It's got that gorgeous little edge on it and these little, I don't even know how you would say it. It's like jewelry, this little handle. It's gorgeous, but I've got 2 of those. I'm gonna go 2 of those. All right, so come and have a squeeze at this. This is the actual basin that we've chosen, and you can see it's quite organic. The color is creamy and beautiful, which is going to go perfectly with this benchtop, which if you come over here, it's not the vanity that we're using, but it's the actual color of the stone that we're using. Now, what was really important to the client was that there was a bath, okay? Getting a bath in a bathroom the size that it was, they used to have this like corner kind of spa bath that sat right near the window. Most baths are pretty big, but what we have found is this little baby, which is called the Posh Domain. It's not this big, it's much smaller than this, it's 1420, but perfect still.
So today, we're finally going to reveal to Kylie her bathroom transformation. A little bit nervous, but I'm also super excited. I love it. I'm just hoping, fingers crossing, that she does too. Let's go.
Hi, Lou. How are you?
It's the big day.
I'm excited.
I hope so.
Very excited. Come in. Oh, okay. Oh my God. I love it.
Oh, good.
It's nothing what I thought it would be. It's better than I thought it would be.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Isn't it? When you look back at what it was.
Oh my God. Yes, oh my God, this
Vanity, the corner bath.
I love it so much. I don't know what
You
to say
really
next.
do?
Yeah, I really do.
You really do?
No, I really do.
Okay, good. I kept scaring her that we put red and black tiles.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh, I love it so much. I can't believe I haven't looked in here the whole time, and this is why.
Yeah.
Because I knew that I would just be overwhelmed.
Okay, and so then what we wanted to make it feel was like Friday, so you're at work, and all you want to do is go home, have a shower. That sense of, I'm going to put a candle on, I'm going to do some self-love, and then you pop into this shower, and it's kind of like you're encapsulated.
Oh, I love
into your own moment, so I have a little room in here.
I just can't believe it. Just the whole separation, the two, but it's like a wall, and it feels like you're in a Mediterranean country, like in a bathhouse, just with the texture and the shape of it and everything. I would never have even thought of it.
So we knew we were always going to do some kind of art. What decorative detail we didn't know, but when we went into amber tiles, we saw this blue. It hit the mark instantly. It also helps that it's a kit cut, so we could actually do more detail in the curve, because the bigger the tile, the harder it is to do a radius.
Yep.
But they just worked.
They do. They just look amazing. And even at the back of the bath there and around the shower. Yeah, it's amazing. I just love them. So Lou, I love the curve on this. It just fits so well in the space.
Yeah.
And even the storage here, like on both sides, I can fit so much there. It's just perfect.
So we went to Reese to have a look at vanities, and we knew instantly we didn't want anything with a sharp edge, because that's where you're entering.
Yeah.
We really wanted that soft curve so it didn't feel so harsh as you entered.
Yeah.
But then as you just opened that door, I just realised, what a perfect place for your toilet paper. It's just there.
It's right there. Yeah, true.
I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, that's great.
Well,
spot
obviously
for it.
Reese has. It needed a facelift.
It needed a facelift,
Yeah.
And this is beyond a facelift. It's just more than I can imagine.
It really is.
I want to come home and like sit in the bath or have a shower while Rosie's sitting in the bath.
Because it's important when you have, big days of work, you want to be able to come home, find a space that you can relax in and get excited to still come home.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I can't wait to put everything back in here, and
have a few wines in here with your girlfriends.
we could sit here and have a wine.
We could.
Sit right here.
Yeah, there we go.
Cheers.